Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a favorites video. So I don't really have that many things, but there was some things that I really could not put down. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I do want to talk about is this e.l.f. blush palette. And it looks like this. It's under $5 and they give you a bronze shade right here and this peachy blush that has some sparkle in, and these are two matte blushes. Very nice and pink. Love this palette, especially for spring that's coming up, so I'm really excited. I have not been able to put this down. I wanted the Jouer palette, the blush palette, which is actually about $45, and I just settled down for this one, and I really do love it, especially for $5. You can't go wrong. You have 4 different shades here. Then I got this No Poreblem primer, and this is probably like the only thing that I loved from the BoxyCharm box. And I love it because it has that silicone texture but mixed in with like a moisturizer, and it reminds me a lot of my primerizer by Smashbox. So this one you can actually get in Sephora and it's only $18. And like I said, it reminds me a lot of my Smashbox primerizer. The only thing is that the Smashbox primerizer is $42. So if you're looking for a good primer that's not that pricey, you should definitely try this one out. I could have not mentioned the Fenty Beauty concealer and baking powder. These two together are a dream. I also have been using this to set my foundation and I love it. I love the color. I think this banana shade is perfect for me. And I love this Fenty concealer. On the days that I wasn't even wearing any makeup, I would just put it on my blemishes and it covered up so good. I love this color because it brightens, but then it's also like my skin color. Like I definitely played it off with my blemishes, like I said, and it did so good. I don't know, it's like magic. I don't know, I really do like it. And I like the way it covered up my pimples. It's very full coverage. I really do love this concealer and I have not stopped using it. I'm very late on this, but this Nars foundation came out a while ago. And if you've been watching my other videos, you know I've been on a foundation hunt, looking for good foundations. I want to have like the best foundations in my makeup, and I love this foundation. I have it on right now. I love the color. I'm very strict on colors, like the way colors blend into your skin, the way they look. I like colors that look like skin but better, and I really like this color because I have like this weird color. I don't know, I'm not yellow, I'm like yellow and warm and probably like olive, I don't know, and this color just gives me like such a nice warm coverage look. I love it so much. I have it on right now, and I got this in the color, I always get like things that I don't know how to pronounce to make me look stupid on camera. Yeah, I think that's why. So I have the shade M 3.5 and it's in the color Vanuatu. Every other color was great name, but I had to get this one. But I love it so much. So if you're looking for a good foundation, this wore out for so long and I really like it. I love the coverage. I love the way it feels. It's a matte foundation, but it looks kind of like dewy and skinny, like not skinny but like skin. I don't know what I was trying to say there, skinny. But yeah, I really do like that foundation. And then for eyebrow pencil, I had this like way deep down in my makeup box, and I got this a while ago, and this is the NYX Professional Makeup Crayon Micro Brow Pencil, and this is in the color brunette, and I really do love it. I've been using this one. I usually go for like a ebony or a dark brown, and this is in brunette, and I love how it looks. I can build it up with really full beat, or I can wear it even just to do a regular makeup look. So I really like this, and it reminds me a lot, when I say a lot, of the Brow Wiz by Anastasia. The only thing is that the color is different. So something I'm also a little bit late on is this Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. I am obsessed. I just got it, but I love it. I always wanted to have it for myself. Never really took the time or wanted to spend the money on a new palette because I have a lot of eyeshadows, but this is gorgeous. Like, I love this. You have so many mattes, and then the shimmers here are perfect. And I am like a soft glam kind of girl or warm tone kind of girl, so I'm really loving this palette. They are coming out with some new shadows that are similar to this. They come in like, it's four shades only, which, and I believe are bigger sizes than these. But if you're looking for a full-blown palette that has a lot of shades that you can play with, also has a black. I know it's important for a lot of people to have black in their palettes, so yeah, this is a great palette if you're looking for something that you want to travel with and something that you want to always be with and you can run to no matter what, because that's how I feel about it. Also, this little thing right here, let me just tell you, I don't know what, oh, I was gonna say I don't know what this is called, but this eyelash curler, I don't know, like, get you one. I never used to believe in this, and my lashes are baby lashes. Like, that's one of the things that I really don't like, is that I have baby lashes. But I got this for Christmas, and I just started using it, and I cannot put it down. Like, you need this in your life. This makes such a difference, especially if you have no lashes. I can only imagine if you have lashes what a difference this makes. It just like lifts it, and once you put mascara on, you look like, even without putting mascara, like your lashes are lifted and they look so good. So if you don't have one of these, get you one. And then also I have this Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser, this blender cleanser, and it looks like this, and I really do love this. So it comes with this, and I just put it on this side, and it comes with the soap, and I'll just like dip my brush in water, rub it on the soap, and then since I have this here, I'll just scrub my brush here, and it's so easy. It comes off so good. The makeup comes off so easy, and I really like it. I bought it just for the Beauty Blender and then started inventing and ended up using it on all my brushes. And I just wanted to mention it in case you guys are wondering like how to get your Beauty Blender clean, or how to, you know, get brushes clean, or 2-in-1. I don't know, like, but this is bomb. I really do like it. I will keep purchasing it, and it's actually lasted me a really long time. I wanted to mention, this is not new, this is old, but they recently came out with this really big size, jumbo size, and I'm all here for it. The other one in Rite Aid, the smaller size, is about $8.49 in Rite Aid, and I got this for $9.99 in Target, and I love it so much. If you're looking for a really good cleanser, something that's gonna be soft on your face, something that's really gonna clean everything out, even if you just want to clean your face throughout the day, if you're sweating a lot, you should definitely try this out. Just pass a swab on and you can see without makeup all the dirt that you have on your face. I love this. I will never get rid of this. I will never stop buying this. I love this so much. Literally, I love this. I'm so glad they came out with this size. This little guy right here, I've been dying to buy this for a while. I don't know how to say the name, but this is a toner. It's a smoothing and glowing complexion, and I love this so much. You ever felt like so thirsty and then not even water could calm it down, and you're like, oh my god, I just want something. Like my mom always used to say this, quiero algo que me pique la garganta. Like you want something to just like scratch your throat, and you want to go for like a Sprite or a seltzer water. This is how I feel with my skin when I put this on. My skin just drinks all of this up. Like it just like, it doesn't burn or anything, but it just gives you like that feeling, and my skin just drinks it all up right away. No lie, it like quick gone. 3 seconds, my skin just drinks it all up, and I really do love it, especially when I'm not wearing no makeup. I feel like my face looks dewy with my once I put my moisturizer on. Everything is just like so glowy and nice. And you know, you guys know I'm really into skincare right now, so yeah, I love it. And then for my dislikes, I only have 2. I just wanted to mention it just in case you guys see this. I don't want you to buy it. So I got this Electric Violet Swirl Beauty Blender. It's dirty actually. I don't even want to clean it. I'm like over. I got this one, and I really like the color, the swirl, white and pink swirl. It was so cute, like pink marble kind of. But it broke the first day that I used it, and I cleaned it. With the Beauty Blender cleanser, I've never had that. I've had a Beauty Blender for about 4 months that has never ever broken on me. This one broke right away. It was so hard to get the foundation out. All my Beauty Blenders, right away I could take the foundation on. So I don't know why this was like so stiff, and it stood manchao. I can't even say the word. It stood dirty no matter what. Like I cleaned it like 4 times. First of all, I broke like the second time I went to clean it. On the same day I tried to I was trying to take the foundation off, and I still wasn't being that aggressive, and it broke off. I don't know if you guys doesn't matter. It broke. Then I also wanted to mention this Mirta de Pirales hair conditioner with keratin. I wanted to mention it because I mentioned the orange one in my last favorites, and I didn't want the same thing to happen to you guys. They didn't have the orange one when I went to restock, and they had this one, so I was like, the orange one was so good. Like this one has conditioner with keratin, so I'm like, oh, maybe it'll leave my hair more sleek. No, the orange one is where it's at. This one left my hair puffy. I didn't like the way it left my hair. It wasn't like, it didn't leave me the same. The other one leaves me so sleek. It smells the same, which was another reason why it sold me. I'm like, oh, it smells the same, it smells so good, I really like the other one's smell, let me just get it. No, if you see this and you're going for the orange one, just get the orange one. That is all that I have here. So yeah, that is all that I have here. I know it was kind of short. I will try to be trying out more makeup in the next favorites for this month. But that is all that I have here. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't leave without giving this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye!